Today at TECHNAUTIQ, we simplify NIS2. The European directive that imposes reinforced cybersecurity on thousands of companies. In less than 10 minutes you will understand what the NIS2 standard is, who it applies to and what you need to do to comply with it. NIS2 is a regulation designed to protect essential sectors: energy, transportation, health, banking, digital services, data centers, and many other sectors. If your company provides an essential service, it will likely be affected. There are two categories: essential entities and important entities. Both require a high level of cybersecurity, even for small and medium-sized enterprises. These are the 10 main obligations of NIS2. Risk management, network and system security, access control policies, business continuity planning, third-party and supplier management, incident detection and monitoring, records management, vulnerability assessment, staff training, and the notification of the most important incidents within 24 hours. The NIS2 also has serious consequences. The fines can reach 10 million euros, or 2% of global sales. In some cases, management may be held personally liable. How to achieve compliance? Here is TECHNAUTIQ's action plan. Start with a cybersecurity assessment. Identify critical systems. Establish a security governance structure. Implement proactive monitoring. Test crisis and continuity plans. And document all implemented controls. NIS2 is not just a legal obligation. This is an opportunity to increase resilience, strengthen security, and modernize your business. Subscribe to TECHNAUTIQ for more training in IT, cloud, and cybersecurity. See you in the next video.